Have you ever noticed that some women don't try to stand out, yet they naturally do? Not because they are louder or crave attention, but because there is something deeper, sharper, and more powerful about the way they think and behave. Society often teaches us that intelligent people must always be serious, organized, and disciplined, but real intelligence doesn't always look neat or conventional. In fact, psychology shows that highly intelligent women often have habits that seem strange or even wrong to others, but in reality, these habits are signs of a deeply active and extraordinary mind. So here are 10 weird habits that reveal high intelligence. 1. Talking to themselves. While society may see it as odd or a sign of loneliness, talking to oneself is a powerful mental technique. Highly intelligent women often have multiple thoughts running at the same time, and speaking aloud helps them organize those thoughts, reduce confusion, improve focus, and make better decisions. It acts like a natural self-therapy, allowing them to guide themselves through complex situations, plan projects, or untangle personal problems, turning abstract ideas into clear solutions. 2. Staying awake late at night. While most people believe waking up early is the key to success, highly intelligent women often feel most active and creative at night. The quiet and calm environment allows them to think deeply, reflect on their day, explore possibilities, solve problems, and build future plans. Nighttime thinking removes distractions and gives them a peaceful space to analyze ideas and generate creative solutions, making their brain operate at peak efficiency while the world sleeps. 3. A messy room or desk. Society may judge a cluttered space as laziness, but research suggests that creative minds often thrive in such environments. Highly intelligent women focus more on ideas, solutions, and complex mental tasks than on organizing objects. What appears messy to outsiders is actually a personal system they understand, where everything has its place, even if it's not perfectly arranged. This environment allows their mind to make connections and generate innovative thoughts that a perfectly tidy space might not inspire. 4. Overthinking everything. Overthinking is often seen as a weakness, but it reflects a highly analytical and prepared mind. Intelligent women examine details, analyze behavior, anticipate consequences, and consider every angle of a situation. While this can sometimes lead to stress, it also ensures they are ready for potential challenges, can avoid mistakes, and make well-informed, thoughtful decisions in all aspects of life. 5. Loving solitude. Highly intelligent women often enjoy spending time alone, not because they dislike others, but because solitude allows them to reflect, recharge, and grow mentally. During quiet moments, they pursue hobbies, read, think deeply, and explore creative ideas. This time alone is not loneliness. It is a way to strengthen their inner world, recharge mental energy, and approach life with clarity and focus. 6. Forgetting small things. Forgetting minor daily details such as keys, names, or small tasks is often misunderstood as carelessness, but it can actually indicate that the brain is focused on bigger, more complex problems. Highly intelligent minds prioritize deep thinking, problem solving, and creativity, which may push trivial information to the background. This is not forgetfulness in general, but a sign of a mind occupied with higher-level thinking and important ideas. 7. Questioning everything. Intelligent women rarely accept things at face value. They constantly ask questions, challenge rules, traditions, and beliefs, and seek the logic behind them. This curiosity drives independent thinking, intellectual growth, and prevents blind conformity. While it may challenge those around them, questioning everything allows them to develop wisdom, insight, and a more thoughtful perspective on life. 8. Deep humor and sarcasm. Their sense of humor is subtle, layered, and intelligent, often using sarcasm and wit in ways that require fast mental processing. Not everyone immediately understands their jokes because they may carry hidden meanings or clever twists. This ability reflects a high-level cognitive skill, combining analysis, creativity, and emotional intelligence, and helps them navigate social situations with charm and insight. 9. Zoning out or daydreaming. Highly intelligent women often appear lost in thought or distracted, but this is actually a sign of a highly active imagination. Their mind constantly creates scenarios, explores ideas, and shifts between thoughts, allowing them to think creatively and see possibilities beyond the present. This constructive daydreaming fosters innovation, problem-solving, and unique perspectives that others might miss. 10. Procrastination with purpose. Procrastination is usually misinterpreted as laziness, but for highly intelligent women, it often comes from a desire to do things perfectly. They spend time analyzing, planning, and evaluating every detail before starting a task. This delay ensures high-quality results, as their mind continues working in the background until they feel fully ready. It's not avoidance, but strategic preparation that reflects their commitment to excellence. So, if you recognize these habits in yourself, stop thinking of them as flaws. They are not signs of weakness, but indicators of a unique and powerful way of thinking. You are not strange, you are different in a meaningful way, and your mind is your greatest strength. Embrace these qualities, celebrate your intelligence and quirks, and let your brilliance shine. If this video helped you understand yourself better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more psychology-based content, and keep embracing the qualities that make you truly exceptional.